Okay, people, welcome to the channel. My name is DJ Parkour Rich, aka Papa Fucking Things All Be Lie. It be set up. So last week I posted a video about a sexual, video being out there. My menace be best studio have the licking has a lot of benefits to chade. Sebi besiana so an amino acid. There, ambulance and okay, besiana will be shell. Also amino acid and now a lot of people that target there or your satanic or your demon or your day. If you don't the questions be bay or chairman small either bay or bar for no kuneshwa na zinina. Intin the matching about studio questions are good comment section biano medzeman mwiano. Mami outsunan
Naminado.
Intin this is the beautiful public nurse. Public health nurse, aka Celebrity Nurse Africa. But to my friend Linda Kosa, na de mami for so. Linda,
Yes,
the most wanted
Pow.
I checked on your video that I posted. You have almost about 1.5 million views.
I'm even shocked.
Which means Ghana for per sex pa.
Yeah, sex education is very good.
Good, I see. But from questions about our platform, Nandon. Nyipane kasina will be sade licking or ye demonic spiritually benyin tafre besia na sa on manin juma on manin lack on manin maybe bafum. Is that true?
It's never true. And then first of all, licking. One quote in the Bible mubia de or ye demonic or satanic and there quotation bia and disqualify a licking. And the most successful people why licking? Mostly, no one at one time you're licking, no, one able with the one miss Canada. With sex, you need to explore. So I don't think licking is demonic. If only you know the health status of your partner. Name the partner no for which la. Why not? Eta for one why then. Now one I walk academ, no one pona why no more. Onye mpanka iti no the besim. What up for watching them? They are just being hypocrites.
I see. I can't be there is a phone one. Why you're looking more?
Yeah.
From some school of thought to such a day. In here for say, when they won't one a what's the quantum brain I didn't see one day. What penetrates where you need your instruments was so dying. Pum 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 pum. Basic phone I want ni was so more papenty. No, I'm tempted to believe there. What points in a making or a valid, but in Kwafu fans who what's in this or there. What will be or why a leak in a tough for Nancy Riana baby kissing her, and a watching it. No, not other Nayakasanaza one on Pede or Bokwana. Why did we say avoid the Mazan?
Before I'll be saying meaning the Waranka saying you need. But before I will be in a better for Bessia na Arsenal. A would day who be a correct Afranas, and ye be Sibian a bossola, a bacacata franasi, or be on pa way to Chebi, or better for now, the chance and no better their saint to ho. Into a new girlfriend, way data at her, and you health status only more there. Why not? You need to explore. A taffrana no so at a day. Na a be on pa, a botuma danodo, now would lack all. Na side no so nitila ba ubenyi no them feeling no massa men try.
One of our friend is 69.
Yeah, 69, yeah.
Okay. With one comment wa ba sisia no nyimpan question obi said I will be see ya obi ne ba wa when I catch no meta for wasen. E botum the sabe the was as she wutwam na da she wenuma.
Yeah, motum musanche me taste musanche how much more masse amino acid. Mutum me de show metaphor.
I see.
Or mamma ho nti.
And am I eja e wo ye na hwe na amino acid no ye more.
But modana the cup na da akasho na ajibi na da afreti na anom.
But I confuse be said the way I kick at some people like you numpon one shada obimpo person oboshe na ye virgin na you're good in bed and you don't know how to have sex, you have no knowledge about sex, you are just talking blah blah. It's in a catch and confident they should go and lick.
What's say experience is the best teacher. Yeah, so
degree.
Degree.
People were doubting your nurse. What's your rank in the nursing?
I'm a PNO, public health nurse.
Now, like education in the health.
And Marco University, my degree, my first
degree in nursing.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Me call University of Health and Allied Science. Who?
Wow.
Yeah. So those people who are saying I'm not professional, no, they are making a big mistake.
Okay, inti eja. Looking at some Kenzi, age certificate at watching. She has a degree in nursing. Of course, school. Whoa. That's a school no friend then.
University of Health and Allied Science.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
One of the best school.
Beautiful. Also, people are also more concerned about your education, telling people that I won't want more.
Well, there Ghana no. See, your system no.
Yeah.
If you don't do things that will make you happy, you'll be depressed. Yeah. And then sex, they see you there, I say, a shower a day. Meanwhile, sex is so boy. One or antidepressant or release the stress. I drink without that have a sex area no. Etowa baka de man for sleeping tablet and a day chichebi. But because of ye hypocrite, we don't even sex education needs to be taught in school. For yene man worrying in our own there, make have a sex a motu menya yerba wo motu me my day. May have a sex a motu means and you teach your children all these things. I'm a papa kokrebi in fa 50 Ghana and dada no Kenyans and Obana now on common yerba. So sex education, there is nothing wrong with me giving sex education out there.
True. I mean, when you say this thing, I back you because
I don't know. Or your kotiaka kotimen kampua. Why must you hide to say those things?
I mean, it's the part of your body. So
yeah,
it's normal. But one thing I've been noticed is on the social media platform. You see, you can do a video about motivational message. Baka in Christian seminar, you put 2 pedals. But you drop the video about people having sex.
Yeah.
And then it has 1.5 million views.
Yeah.
And so if Ghanaians say they don't like sex,
it's a lie.
No,
Wabwa.
And I like your point, Erica. So the sex on my nimpontum think straight or depressed. Like I said, I'm going through a lot.
Missy,
I like it. I like it. Very soon, you better who post it. But anyway, I have to congratulate you. You are doing a great job.
Thank you.
Now, I'm for people will follow. Mobotum.
Mobotum will follow me on my YouTube channel.
Your YouTube channel.
That's Celebrity Nurse Africa. Yeah.
Do you always talk about sex, or you have other health topics?
I have other health topics. Sometimes I give health education on TV stations, radio stations, and stuff. Yeah.
So people can actually invite you for
their programs,
educate them about health.
It's not only about sex, any topic at all. Yeah.
But in my phone, they look a bit unhappy with you in the extent there. On your licking, your focus was more on licking, but you refuse to talk about the benefits of sucking. So amino acid when they say for answer, and you forward on no about the vitamin D and the EGF.
The mostly na am being for baby or so my boyfriend me sack and woman Nancy why you fine or wash show I the offer mojedra and I say mojedro no I say sex actually is good. When you suck a man, it's a good feeling.
What's the benefits? Being funny when you like the amino acid there or
no, no. Mbesi afuna na yen na one ye won nyama wo because
you need to him or say hokwa. I see. Papa would you say this is nothing. It doesn't have amino acid.
It's something. Oh yeah, baby. Oh no, ginger.
So why are you in and out?
That be
in and out. But people are asking there, what dummy dicky? Aside from the UCD, woman. One fine yashi.
Oh yeah, fine yashi. As in our door, Rena, the Mazi din say, Okoha or better to my.
I said, remember when you be I was encoding. You can't remember show about encoding. The other girls they just encoding. Anyway, they want to keep this in a museum. They don't feel safe when you keep using always walking around with this.
Okay, sure.
Size and also
size in the day no ye. Enjoy. Yempe nkruma.
I see.
Nkruma no yo kakra.
Na boss no so mo so do ya yin.
Boss ne de ehu de oyedua odo hang ho dangling na de.
I see. All right, Ghana da wa say.
Yes, that's
there er small man e chen and er boa in pam kitamuzere. We are saving a lot of marriages.
Yeah, sure.
Obi say there. Last okofie na no the video ne chen wife o say ehu. What can I say? What da homa chimo ba won chana na e pele. Asa homa chana. Sister na bed. I'm sorry. I didn't know that I had a lot of mineral resources in my vagina. Amino acid in it. Brebeji benom.
Na so.
Brother also anadren ono amino acid abeye.
Mobo.
An apostle okwedo wudo.
Ehu there strength wo nanyen.
One quadra store amino acid wo girl ho.
More here de benim health status nye etwe bia na de one bobom sebe ono nye hygienic
you improve ka
akati esido koko na akati sido na asam na asay
now was nurses muntu anofo man ka fa sabi tutu nyina nka chende can I lick you
no
obi ogba ahyewo won ka won bisan licking ne teaching so no ye no say what partner make sure that the health status you're good before you do that. TafrebomskiLicking. What's the kekede licking nutrients in your licking?
Mekade licking.
That was what somebody was saying. Boy, I fancy thing about it.
Mambie.
Obisi wa friend TafrebomskiLicking. Obisi wa friend TafrebomskiLicking. Obisi.
Ebi a TafrebomskiLicking ne be kama.
I see. That's it. And now, obisi ibisa so there. Is it good to use your teeth in the process of licking there? Yeah, a pede easy or bana kakane eye there the washing. It's a connect clitoris when I there lick out.
I damna ebia washa wahu baby oba uti me anhwe ya na aka we fi. Don't use your teeth, at least your tongue, and then just be
so
playing
your
with
tongue
it.
and your teeth shouldn't be part of
ya anhwe ya oba kaka we fi wa my.
But in him there. We try pa.
Why are they?
Because to put our whole world in your mouth.
Oh, Charlie.
Na ya da shawenu.
Mbenyu fa why dama. In fact, nyankopon for 100 years nka woni years.
All right, amen. Inti benyu biara am waso kubia mama na so say nyankopon ma extra 100. We are out of here. Our question be our Fabra comment section and follow her at Celebratingness Africa. We are here. We are supported by also, I was supporting production. Working Bible meeting could say Samuel and the Joshua. Yeah, I can say the Yeti Bible, Melinda and RICHMEN. We are so far. When dear, thank you for watching. We are out of here. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?